Everything is fine.
From where?
Netherlands.
What do you bring from? See that? Eh? Oh, where they go?
Abuja. How are you?
Give me something now.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Give me something. Oh yeah, give me something now. Give me something.
You give me something.
Time. Up! Let's go! Keep Pēsi backward back. They don't know that one. They just run them back. They are not regular. If they say two Pēsi, they will go and fall down now. Distinguished officers, gentlemen of the press, there was an incident on 23rd of October between Iseyin and Oyo Road. A tourist from Netherlands was passing to Abuja, and the two police special constabularies before you, other whoever's command, I don't know, went there and they were demanding for money. The Commissioner of Police, Oyo State Command, that is me, I have reviewed the other room conducted for them because our normal procedure is they should be tried in other room on oath and appropriate punishment meted out to them. I have now reviewed on the road trial of the defaulters, who are Special Constabulary Karim Fatai and Special Constabulary Stephen Lukman, who were captured on viral video dated 29/10/2023 demanding money from a Netherlands tourist, Ms. Norali Shuen CP Adebola A. Hamza, the Commissioner of Police, Oyo State Police Command. Today, Thursday, 21st December 2023, I affirm the recommended punishment of dismissal for the two police Special Constabulary Karim Fatai and Special Constabulary Jiman Lukman, and I hereby pronounce both of them dismissed from the police Special Constabulary. They will be dedicated and cease to be members of the Special Constabulary with immediate effect. It is hoped that this will serve as a deterrent to others who want to have a similar demeanor. They should be defeated. Now, with this development, I think you don't need to match them or anything because they don't belong to any organization to match anymore. Let them just work out quietly and to their houses. Ordinarily, they should have been prosecuted. But we let that go because they are not regular police officers. Thank you so very much.
How are you?
Hello.
Hello?
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
From where?
Netherlands.
What do you bring from? See that? Eh? Oh, where they go?
Abuja. How are you?
Give me something now.
How is everything?
Everything is fine.
Give me something. Oh yeah, give me something now. Give me something.
You give